VaGEZA vadzoka zvakare vaine chimwe vachitiwo musi wa17 October chinenge chakachaya. I'm not sure kuti comrade GEZA vakatsika pai nemashoko ava. Regai tikuratidzei video racho muzvionere muchizvinzwira mega muri yeZimbabwe.
Good afternoon, Zimbabwe. This is yours truly, Blessed Runesu GEZA, Comrade Bombshell. Fellow Zimbabweans, I come to you today when the situation in the country can no longer be ignored. The situation has now reached a defining moment. Tasvika kumagumo. Emerson has chosen to betray the people of Zimbabwe, aligning himself with his criminal cartels, the Zvigananda. He has opted for corruption, looting, and open normalization of thievery within our very government. Emerson has chosen to brutally mutilate our constitution, massacring the rights of Zimbabweans to a dignified life through his corrupt machinations. We know Emerson stands as the godfather of these criminal cartels who have plundered our land, leaving countless Zimbabweans entrenched in poverty and despair. Well, fellow Zimbabweans, the time for our suffering is ended. Today marks the final steps to dismantle this madness. We will no longer stand by while Emerson and his Zvigananda continue to rob our people of their future and their sacred right to vote in 2028. We will no longer tolerate the lies that the resolution seeking to postpone elections somehow represents the will of the people. This is the gravest insult to the dignity of Zimbabwe. We refuse to watch as Emerson and his Zviganandas strive to complete their capture of the state. That will not happen. Zimbabwe came as a result of sacrifices of gallant sons and daughters of the soil to benefit everyone, not a favored few. Today we say enough is enough. We cannot sit back while Emerson and his cartels plunder over 7 billion from our state coffers. These are funds they now seek to buy political power to safeguard their ill-gotten gains and perpetuate their plundering. We will put a stop to this madness, so as war veterans and other ZANU-PF progressive elements deal with Emerson and Mutare. All progressive Zimbabweans are gathering in the streets of Harare. We are demanding a complete stop to attempts to mend our constitution. Let's all come out to say no to a third term. Let's stand against ED for butchering our constitution. On Friday, 17th of October, fellow Zimbabweans, let's say no to state capture by Tagure, Chivayo, and their fellow Zvigananda. Let's say no to the looting of our state resources when civil servants are poorly paid. Let's say no to state capture. Let's say no to the looting of billions of dollars when our people die in hospitals without medication, when our women give birth in open spaces. Taramba, nyika ino haisi ya Emerson, mudzimai wake kana Zvigananda. The government and the ruling ZANU-PF have been ensnared by the Zvigananda. This is no longer a ZANU-PF conference. It has devolved into a Zvigananda gathering, a facade to complete their hold on our state. Passing the Ligalanda, they belong in prison. They've stolen our future. We'll confront this mess in Mtari. Fellow Zimbabweans, as we face Emerson in Mtari, let it be known that Zimbabweans from all walks of life will flood the streets of Harare on Friday, 17 October, demanding an end to Emerson tyrannical rule. I understand your concerns about security. Be rest assured, your safety will be paramount, and no Zimbabwean will face danger for exercising their constitutional right to protest. Zimbabweans tawachiseko chepasi rose because of Emerson. Zimbabweans from every corner of our land, prepare yourself to reclaim your country from Emerson's corrupt and oppressive regime. Let's claim back our country, and Friday, 17 October 2025 is the day Emerson should go. Thank you, Zimbabweans. See you on Friday in the streets of Harare. Amandla, Masimba kuvanhu, tiri kunopedzerana kwaMutare kuconference.